Guys, passes naman!
Kung kaya nyo makita yung line, pasuyo na rin. Okay, pasak. Okay. Yung bola, nasa yung bola. Pasuyin ng bola. Pasuyin ng mga bola dyan. Pag dito ng bola, ito yung bola ba isa? Pasuyin. Okay, let's start the game. 8 versus 6. Good luck. Okay na. Point. Okay. Now serving. Ate Jo. Galing talaga ni Chuck sa ganun. Score 4-2. Score 4-2. Outside. Outside. 7-5. 7-5. Seven six. Pasok. Eight, six, 8-6. Now serving. Services. 9-6.
Nice one, Cha. Nice. Nice try.
All mine, all
Nice
mine.
try.
Ten, nine. Solid ba? Sold out? Oh, may ano na daw. May ano ba daw? Pasok. Pasok. All 10, all 10. All 10. Ha? Dalawa pa daw. May hotdog pa si Ate Kim Samson. Kasi dalawa yung brand dito eh.
Sige, diyan ka lang. Sabay ka.
Outside. 11-10. 11-10. Okay,
Pasok pa yung pasok.
Okay, chance ball, binalik. Okay, set, follow. Outside. 30-10.
Ja, pag natalo kayo, hindi ka
Pinapasama
sasama.
na talaga ang
Ja!
pinanangad nila.
Paano ba kayo maglalakad kayo ng sabi ni Kern? Sige.
Wala na daw silang pang-prito, guys.
Yan! Out!
Outside. Very good. 11-13. Now serving.
Service!
Now serving. Ate Cha. Okay, guys. Score. Isa na lang, ha? 12-13. Service ni Cha. Okay.
God! Ja!
Okay, binalik kay Cha. Sulit. Okay, chance ball. Okay.
Parang baby ang katawan!
Pressing foul. Pressing foul.
Hawak mo ang beat! Hawak mo ang beat! Too much beat, bebe! Dito ka, iikot ka.
Okay, service close. Ate Mads, last three.
Dito. Oh, yung baby ang pumasok doon.
Last three.
Oo, dito iikot ka dyan. ayun.
Okay, sige susunod. Ate Mads. Ate Mads.
Uy, last na lang sila.
Okay, dalawa na lang.
Uy, yung dead ball nyo. Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
Nice one.
Okay. Save 1 point.
Ano yan? Mantaragan?
Serving ate.
Guys, sumisid eh.
Ate Karin. Ate Karin. At magkakagulo na sila. So, chance ball.
Yan!
Ulit.
Outside!
Ulit. Line ball. Okay, last one. Foul. Para sa oil. Para sa oil.
Ha?
Ate Lorraine,
Hoy!
sinabi
Ito bang makaroon? Saka lang! Dahil, saka lang! Ja, may macaroni, bili mo na. Iisa na lang, masarap macaroni na. Sige na. Dahil second sila, pupunin na niya. Kasama daw mo na
Pasok po all winners! Pasok po all winners!
Hindi daw pala kasama yan.
All winners, pasok!
Hindi daw kasama yan.
All winners, pasok!
10 lang.
All winners, pasok!
Ay, yellow, yellow.
Champion!
Ubus na ba eh? Next time. Yellow pala.
First runner-up!
Nauna ka na dyan.
Punta kayo dito, first runner-up! Team for Ate Angeline! Team for! Team for! Pasok, team for! Team for! Pa-distribute, guys! Wala ko ngayon, Beb. Guys, every week, iba-iba yung wala natin na. Pakilala natin every week. Okay, para may challenge, may ano. So every week, hindi pare-parehas yung style. Hindi pa natin best player. So every week, for today, we have best setter. So maybe for next week, best striker, okay? So para at least, malaman natin yung mga players para may challenge yung paglalaro natin, okay? So hindi nyo alam kung ano yung magiging quiz. Kung ano yung magiging awarding natin every week, okay? So ayan, dito natin makikita yung ating mga ano, masusulit na naglalaro. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung ipapamigay natin na prize.
Laban-laban. Laban-laban.
Okay, MVP natin sa ating Mads. Ate Mads? Ate pag-massage ka, Ate Mads. Parisip po. Best shopper. Okay. Okay guys, so ayan. So ayan mo lang. Every week, iba-iba yung mga prizes natin. So you will not know. Okay. Baligtad naman, te. So, dahil na. Okay? So next week is a Jersey Day. So limited na lang ang slots. So ano Jersey Day tayo next week. So tayo lang sa mga naka-Jersey. Okay, open na kayo dyan. First. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, second place. Alis mo na yung champion. Second place muna, guys. Second placer. Second placer muna. Okay, dito guys. Second placer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sama. Pakulit ng oil, guys. Second place. Pakulit ng oil. Champion! Pasok ang champion! Pakulit ng oil. Champion! Hoy, champion, pasok kayo din! Champion! Okay, okay now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait lang. Picture ko lang muna special award. Ate, ko muna, MVP. Wait lang muna, ko lang muna MVP. Mahawak yung prizes natin. Pabalik lang yung mga special award. Oo, sobrang mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ate Vicente, surprise. Ito na yung best. Sige na.
O, tara, let's
Ate,
go.
thank you. Ate yan.
Okay, dito ka sa sabay. Bye, te.
Every week, iba-iba yung awards natin.